Yo, what up? Back with another recap. So today I ended up taking a good trade. It was pretty A plus towards previous day high and ended up playing out. So I can run you down why I took this. So coming in today, into the day I was bullish, and I like to find my order flow on the 1 hour and 15. 1 hour, 4 hour, and on the 4 hour, I obviously saw this 4 hour gap that we tapped into overnight, right? So using time frame alignment, and this was from last week. So this is also CISD from a weekly PD, right? So leaving that, we had a change of state obviously to the upside. Went on the 1 hour and recognized we had this 1 hour CISD in OTE of the range, and I was looking for a PD array that we used to create that move, which was the daily order block, and then we had a CISD to the upside. So it gave me a lot of conviction. We were continuing to respect bullish PD arrays. We inverse this, continue to respect it, showing the wicks, right? And then coming into open, at first I was expecting price to see reaction from this fair value gap, because we had an SMT at these lows, but then we came down. We ended up tapping into this 15-minute gap, tapping into the CISD, and on the hourly, we had a 1 hour fair value gap SMT, right? So ES tapped into this fair value gap, NQ didn't, which is nice. I think I got that from like Justin Werline or whatever. So then I went to the 1 minute. We had a change of state and a unicorn model. I waited for confirmation. So the next candle that tapped in, which is about here, entered somewhere in this candle at 45. Entered there. Put my stops below this breaker. Is that a break? Yeah, below the breaker right here. Since this was a unicorn model, so this is valid for me. Went break even here, targeted 2 to 1. Took 6 contracts off there, and took the rest off the previous day high. So super clean. And I also trailed my stop. So once we got this expansion to the upside, moved my stop here, and then after that, when we came up, we had this 5 minute gap right here. So I just broke, right? We had this 5 minute gap, 10 o'clock open into this gap, and then I went to the 15-minute time frame, the 15-second time frame, and we had a CISD model, right? Another flow state model inside that 15-minute inverse. And then I trailed my stop here because we also had this SMT. So if you look here, we had this SMT right here, right? So we had the SMT and 2 SMTs. So once we saw the SMT, I was like, okay, this is a protected low. We should not come below this. I trailed my stop to 1. So now I was risking $100. We came up. We started to expand 10 o'clock. Moved my stop to break even here, and then we hit TP. So yeah, super solid trade. So now with my accounts, copy trading 2 accounts. So first one of the ones I took a loss on it, so I'm up 500. The other one, I'm up 1,000. So I just need 2 more solid trades, A plus setups, just like that. So that's really it. But yeah, super solid trade. Happy with this trade. Happy to start the week off like that. Just need to continue to follow my model, execute when I see fit. Also with like the confirmation here, I used to always wait. Like I used to not put limits and wait. I used to just enter with the limit right here on this fair value gap, and then put my stop here, which I probably should have did, but I wanted to. Since we're in this 5 minute gap and we didn't close above it quite, like we literally just respected it. I wanted to see how price would react to this fair value gap, and once we were respecting it, then I entered. So I'm really proud that like I made that adjustment right there, because if I'm trading into fair value gap, I'll probably wait for confirmation just to make sure that we're not manipulating one more time to the downside, especially since we didn't take this 15 minute low. So yeah, I think this is just a beautiful trade, beautiful risk management, beautiful execution. But yeah, so hoping to have a good rest of the week. We're going to continue to follow our model, let our edge play out. And yeah, you guys take it easy. Peace.